Hey everyone, I just wanted to give you a quick update on how to find slope. This will be very brief, but let's say you're trying to do the slope matching activity and you are a little stuck. So let me just remind you, when we find slope from 2 points, we're going to take the y of point 2 and take away the y of point 1 from that. That's going to be our numerator. And then our x of point 2, we're going to subtract our x of point 1. That's our denominator. This is our slope formula. And you could even label your points x and y. So for example, this would be the x of point 1 and the y of point 1. This would be the x of point 2 and the y of point 2. So now we just go in, fill in our formula with the data provided. I'm taking the y of point 2, which was -2, and I'm subtracting from that the y of point 1, which was 4. That's going to be divided by the x of point 2, which was 3. I'm subtracting from that the x of point 1, which is -1. So now that I've got this subtraction problem written in a fraction form, I want you to remember your integer rules. When you subtract a negative, you're really adding a positive. You could actually do the same with your numerator, but in this case, for me, it's easier to subtract 4 from -2 instead of adding -4. I mean, you could look at it either way, but -2 plus -4 is -6. 3 plus 1 is 4. You would simplify that down. Do not make it into an improper fraction. It would be -3/2. So that one was right here in your slides, and then you would just go over and figure out which one it was. So -3/2, and then you would go over and try to find a match. Remember, you're trying to reduce your fractions into simplest form, but they need to stay improper. Also, if you really get stuck, you can use your calculator to do those subtraction problems if you'd like. But again, your calculator might have changed it into a mixed number for you. You need to keep your final answer as an improper fraction. Slope is the rise over the run, so it's a relationship between two items, rise over run, not a mixed number, which is 3 numbers. And so that's why mixed numbers are too confusing, because we're not comparing 3 things, we're just comparing 2 things, a numerator to a denominator. All right, I hope this helped for you guys.